really have zero complaints about this. It has adjustable speed dial. I mean, I can even use it on a tiny little 14 mil. I know it's overkill, but even if I'm using it on a small bolt, I didn't feel in a danger of breaking anything. On the other hand, I can use it on a really tight, like Loctite and 19 millimeters cage bolt on the brakes without a problem. So this tool is really like the best of both worlds.